I'm on a 2007 Jeep Liberty, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from here, the driver's side will look for this lever that will pull. That should have released the safety up front. If this is just completely loose, if I can show you here, there's a cable right there. Make sure that cable is attached. If it's not attached, you might need to adjust that. But now that this is loose, you should see that this is loose enough to fit your fingers into. So there's a lever here, we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And unfortunately it's got, if it's working right, these little hydraulics to hold the hood up. But that's what the mechanism looked like I was pushing. Just make sure that's not bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. Maybe some WD-40, might spray that in there to loosen this if needed. This is what it's hooked onto. And then also double check your hood's in proper alignment, so if that's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.